hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I just wanted to film this short haul video. These are items I got last week, and I had so many items from my shopping trip that I didn't have enough room to put them all on this table. So, this is the second haul from shopping at one of my favorite spots last week. As you can see, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I did end up picking up quite a few Christmas items. There were a lot of booths that were already decorating, for Christmas. So I found a bunch of stuff and I'm super, super excited. I'm going to start over here. I got 3 Anneli dolls, and this one is Herr Kringle, as in Mr. Kringle. He is amazing. Look at him. Look at the mistletoe in his hair. I love his face. He's got a great smile. Those little rosy cheeks are so cute. And he is carrying a bag of gifts. As you can see here, there's a little tree there, a little snowflake. All of these Anneli dolls do have their original paperwork, which is super cool. I do believe he is from 1998. I did look him up, but I can't remember if I'm right. I'm seeing if it's on here. Think it is. On the bottom, there is a certificate of authenticity for him, so that's pretty cool. I believe he is a rarer piece, but isn't he awesome? I just love him. He may be my favorite. I don't know. I like them all. There's a couple trees here. As you can see, the little tag here is on the back. Oh yeah, 98. I was right. Anyway, all 3 of these are in pretty good shape. They look a little bit dirty, and I will try to clean them up a little bit, but I don't think they were played with or anything like that. They just may have gotten a little dusty, but isn't he awesome? Just love him. Okay, next to him is this Christmas goose. Oh my God. This goose is so cute. Look at her face, or his face. Adorable, adorable. I like the scarf, of course, the mistletoe. Here is the back of the goose. So cute. Now, the goose doesn't have a certificate of authenticity, so I don't think it's as rare as Herr Kringle, but she does still have her sticker. I mean, her card. There's a code on the back. I think she's around the same time. I'm trying to remember where her tag is. I might not be able to find it right now. It's somewhere on her. Let's see. Well, I'm not going to waste too much time looking for it, but I do know the Anneli tag is on here somewhere. And, as you can see here, here's a little card. Maybe it's on the back of her scarf. Where is it, guys? I don't see it. Maybe it was cut off. I'm not sure. But she's so cute. Love her. Okay, next to her is another cutie patootie. This is a mouse. He's so cute. He has a stocking on. Not really a stocking. What am I saying? Like a scarf and a hat. And this mouse is just super excited that it's Christmas. He does have his card here, and he does have his little tag on the back. That's so weird about the goose. I could have sworn I saw it, guys. Let me see what year. What year are you? He is, he's 84, so he is older. Isn't he adorable? Love, love, love. So I got all 3 of those. I do know there's some of you that collect them, so I definitely had to pick them up, and I mean, I couldn't resist these faces. Look at them. So cute. Okay. So over here, I have another Christmas guy. This is an elf, and I just thought he was super cool. I don't know anything about this brand. Look at that face. So cute. I like all the glitter. He appears to be in great shape as well. He does have his original tag here. Let me see if I can find it. Turn it around so we can see what these are called. Mark Roberts. How cute is he? So he's got his little elf shoes there. Here is the back. He does have wings. There's the original tag. I don't see any damage on him either. I just thought he was super cool. Oh, and I love how there's glitter in his eyes. He's a magical Christmas fairy or elf. So cute. So I got him. And I do want to say all these will be available. You can reach out to me if you're interested in buying something. I don't know when I'm going to have my next Christmas sale. So if you see something you want and you want it soon, go ahead and reach out to me and we can work something out. Okay, I'm going to stick with the Christmas stuff just for a little longer. I did pick up a couple of figurines. I think these are Enesco. Yeah, these are Enesco. And this is a beaver and a baby, all dressed up for Christmas with their stockings on. Here is the back. I don't see any scratches or any damage. I don't think on either one of them. But how cute is that? I mean, when you think of Christmas, don't you just immediately think of a cute beaver? Okay. So I found this one as well. This is also Enesco, and this is 2 koala bears. Look at how cute they are, guys. There's the sticker. 1992. Okay. I was about to say, I think these are probably from the late 80s or early 90s. Super cute. No damage on this one either. Their faces are adorable. Okay. Then I got this little Christmas elf. He is working on a sailboat, or maybe he just finished making the sailboat. I'm not quite sure. He was dirty. He got a bath, but I think he's going to get another bath before I show him in another sale, before I ship him to someone. He's so cute. So he's sitting on a log, just happy as a clam that he made this sailboat. And he is Homeco. He's so sweet. Look at his face. I like his beard. I like everything about this guy. I think he's absolutely adorable. No damage on him either. So cute. Okay, I think that's it. No, that's not it for the Christmas. What am I saying? I found some Christmas brooches when I was out shopping as well. This may be my favorite one. This is just really, really pretty. It is like a dove, and it has this really cool enamel, like ribbons coming off of it with these pronged rhinestones. I'm sorry, guys, I can't talk today, apparently. I don't think any of these were marked, but isn't this beautiful? I'm going to put it down so maybe you can see it a little bit better. I love it. I love that ribbon effect. I think it's really, really cool. Okay, then I got this. Now, this is just an acrylic or a plastic little brooch, but it's a Christmas tree. This reminds me of the 70s very, very much. Here's the back of it. Made in Hong Kong. Okay. And again, super cute. You could use these for crafting if you didn't want to wear them. You know, for your Christmas assemblages. It's just a really cute little tree. Okay. Then I got this beautiful cardinal. Come on, cardinal, focus. There we go. He also has really pretty enamel, as well as these red rhinestones and his green eye. Isn't he cool? As you can see, those rhinestones really do pick up the light. Here is the back. Super pretty. All this is making me excited for Christmas, guys. And we haven't even had Halloween yet. Okay. Last Christmas item, I promise. I got this little gingerbread man brooch. I'm not quite sure what he's doing. What is he doing, guys? I'm not sure. Is he flying a kite of something? I just don't know, but I thought he was funny and unique, so I went ahead and picked him up. He is signed Heather Goldmine. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. He's probably very collectible. Very cool. Heather Goldmine is Blue Sky, I do believe. So that's really cool. Okay, now for the non-Christmas, I'll just start here with these pins or brooches. I got this. I just got these because they were cute. These are Schmid, as you can see here, which I do believe is Japan. And so you've got this enamel pin of this teddy bear holding a teddy bear stuffed animal. How cute is that? And then I got a cat because, well, I couldn't leave the cat behind. The cat is super cute with his bally yarn and that attitude. I love it. The cat's like, don't mess with me and my yarn. And then the last one I got is another cat. I have picked up some similar to this, but I haven't picked up this exact one. This kitty is toying with this fish in a fishbowl. I love that it moves. Super, super cute. I don't believe this one is marked either. Yeah, I don't think it is. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, here comes the guessing game to see if I can figure it out. Yeah, I'll put it in the video because there's no way I can read that without a loop. Okay. Anyway, how cute is that? I just love that kitty. Super, super cute. Then I picked up this flower frog. This is obviously a plastic flower frog, and it is kind of one of the bigger ones. I always get these when I see them because I know people do have, you know, a lot of uses for them. Then I got this because, I mean, who doesn't need a rabbit playing it? Is that a tuba? I think it's a tuba. Look at him. So cute. He is made in occupied Japan. I just thought he was super cute with playing that instrument, because that's what bunnies do. Okay, then I got this art glass fish, and this is a Millefiore glass design. Really pretty. I like the green in it. I like the red. See, you don't always notice it, but sometimes you have a theme going when you're buying stuff and picking things out and you don't even realize it, but it's kind of Christmas colors, isn't it, guys? Okay, what's super crazy is the 2 pieces of glass that I have left to show you are also Christmas colors. Okay, so this, I do believe, is Fenton, and this is an Amberina candle holder. It's got this hobnail. Now, this really does light up. It's got a great, great glow. Okay, guys, there you go. Look at that glow. There's a lot of cadmium in this piece. Absolutely beautiful. I did not notice any damage on it at all. It's in great shape. It probably needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but look at the glow. Absolutely love this. Then the last piece of glass. Oh no, I'm skipping over figurine. How could I possibly do that? I do believe this is Lefton. This is a little puppy and a frog. Look at the eyes on that puppy. And look how happy this frog is. Yeah, that's what I thought. Lefton, hand painted. They're so, so cute. They're besties, I think. Adorable. I could not leave that behind. I had to get that. I haven't seen him before. Then the last thing I got was this beautiful, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this is Indiana Glass Tiara, and this is a, I think it's Chantilly. Yeah, it is Chantilly, and this is an egg platter. As you can see here, there are the little slots for the eggs. Guys, this is so, so pretty, and I did check it. It does not glow, but it's just a beautiful piece of glass. You know, of course, if you do deviled eggs for Christmas, this would be a beautiful way to serve them. You could also use it for anything else. Have it out, you know, for your Christmas buffets or your snack trays or whatever you do for Christmas. I had to get it. It's so pretty, y'all. Okay, well, I hope that everyone enjoyed this short little haul. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. You can email me or you can DM me on Instagram. All that information is going to be at the end of the video. I do want to remind everybody that tomorrow we will be having our sale on Gina's channel, Vintage Dig, so make sure you follow her. Our sale will be at 2 Eastern, which is 1 Central and 11 a.m. Pacific. And I hope to see you guys there. I want to thank you all for your support. Every comment, every thumbs up, every share really does help my channel. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope everyone has a great rest of your weekend, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.